you guys, it's Miss Netty. Okay, that was really weird. But anyways, today I have a DIY project for you guys. I'll be showing you how I turned my old and broken vanity mirror. As you can see, it's clearly falling apart. But how I turned this mirror into a hanging floral mirror that you guys can add to your dorm, bedroom, apartment, or whatever to add a little pop of color. The things you'll need are a circular mirror, of course, some fake flowers. I used 6 bushels in total. You'll need a wreath in order to put your flowers on, a foam ring used for extra stability, and lastly, you'll need a hot glue gun with glue sticks because you need them for the hot glue gun. Yeah. To begin this DIY, I start by taking off the flowers from their stems, but do not throw the stems away yet because you will be needing them later on in this DIY. And just an FYI, I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, so great way to save some money. Next, I'm just taking my flower heads and arranging them on my wreath. Now, this part may seem a little time consuming, however, it will be worth it in the end. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement of your flowers, you could just go ahead and start hot gluing them onto the wreath. So this is the finished product of my wreath. It looked alright in my opinion, but I decided to add the leaves from the stems that I used earlier to add about 4 or 5 of them to the wreath. It just added a pop of color and it also made my wreath look a little more real. Now that I'm done with the wreath, I'm going to take the foam ring and I'm going to glue my mirror right into the center of the foam ring. After applying pressure for a few seconds, I take some more hot glue and apply it for extra security. And now I'm just placing my wreath to make sure everything fits perfectly before I glue it down. And for the final step, I'm just cutting the bottoms off of the stems. What I'm gonna do is glue them onto the foam ring and also tape it. And what this is doing is just adding a bunch of stability to the mirror so when you hang it up, it won't break and fall. As you can see, I only used 5 of the stems. I added an ample amount of glue to the foam ring and just glue the wreath onto it. And this is the final product. This is how my floral mirror looks hung up on the wall. I hope you guys really like this video. Comment down below if you want me to do any more DIYs. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and Bacon and Netty will see you in the next one.